Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special kind of video because this is my Hobonichi 2021 unboxing for you guys. So this package came in yesterday. As I am doing this voiceover, it's going to be a long video, but if you're just interested in the stuff that I got, it'll be finished within 2 minutes. But please stay until the end of the video to see what I got, why I got them, and some specifics about my purchases, about the items themselves as well as the pricing and the shipping experience from the Hobonichi Techo 1101 store. So I got this from the specific Hobonichi store, their flagship online store, and it was processed right away. It was a very good experience. I'll talk more about that later. So here I'm just taking out all of the items out of the box that it came in. So the box itself will be wrapped in a white paper bag which has its branding. I posted a picture about that bag, and it is on my Instagram. Make sure that you are following me over there. And this is the last thing in that box, the heaviest one, which is the Hobonichi Cousin 2021, and it's just the book. So as for pricing and shipping, I ordered a total of 10 items. Then you add on the shipping costs, which is 5,200 yen, some admin fees, 500 yen, and the total cost of the box is roughly around $350. It was processed right away and I received it within the given amount of time. So this is the planner that I purchased, and we're going to go through that first, and then later we're going to go through the accessories, and the best part is towards the end. So I got the Hobonichi papers in 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔. 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔 is an old or a last year design. However, I wasn't able to get it and I was gutted. So when I saw this on the website, I was very, very happy that I was able to still order these items. I don't think this is a complete set, however. I think there's a cover and a weeks that I wasn't able to get, but so far I loved my purchases. So this is a notepad designed to be taken so the papers can be torn off, compared with the other Hobonichi books. By the way, the paper of the 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔 Hobonichi papers is different from the Hobonichi books. It's not the same 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔 paper. But here I'm unboxing the day-free version of the original, and I got this instead of the actual original because of something very special. But I just wanted to go ahead and show you the pamphlet that they added onto the orders this time. It is humongous and it's full of really fun things. Make sure to have a good look at it in other videos because I don't have the time and the space to go through it in this video. So I'm just doing a little flip through of the day free. It looks exactly like the original, however it is thinner and the pages are undated and untimed. So I'm also going to show you why I got the day free instead of the original, because of this little feature that I think is super cute. So if you take a look at that fox, it is actually a flip book of that fox, and he gets covered by that blanket. It's super fun. At the back you get the same informational and special pages that the Hobonichi original would come with. So the only difference is that the pages are not as much and the pages are undated and untimed. And you get the same back matter for all of the books that you purchase. Moving on, we're going to go ahead and look through the cousin book. And this is the 2021 version. I only ordered the book itself, or the book only, no covers, because I already have a cover that I have been saving for this year. And it works perfectly fine, so there was no need to purchase a new one. And I also have a cover and cover on hand for that. So if you open it up, it looks exactly the same, except that it's for 2021. So you get your monthly overview as well as your weekly overview. So the weekly overview is exclusively for the Hobonichi Cousin. You also get your timed and dated dailies. And this is a very heavy book, by the way, but it gives you a lot of space to play with. And the weekly pages are the best part of this book. Moving on, we have the Hobonichi Weeks purchase. Now they may look the same except for the color, but they are actually two very different books. And I will be showing you why that is in a bit as soon as I open them. So I got the white line ivory as well as the latte beige, and they have embossings both at the front and the back, and they are very small compared to the cousin but bigger than the 𝐼𝐸𝐴𝐸𝐸. So here I'm going to show you the difference. The white line ivory is soft cover, while the latte beige is hard cover, which means that the white ivory can be bent. It is very soft, and that's very good if you're going to pack it in your bag because it is going to be lighter and it's not going to be dented or bent whatsoever. So at the back you have your notes pages, which are numbered, and you also get your special pages, which is very similar to the other Hobonichi books. So I'm not going to flip through the latte beige anymore because it is the exact same pages. So here are the accessories that I got. So I couldn't resist the 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔. I am not a big fan of the pencil boards. I just don't use them very often. I just use it to bookmark, and that's basically it. But since I got the day free, I thought that I'd go ahead and grab a pencil board for it. I don't have an A6 pencil board yet. So I also got this supplement for the A6. So I've been listing that it's an A6 size. It's not. It's so much more smaller and so much handier, and it's actually soft cover as well, and I think that it'll fit really nicely with my planning system. So I also got this day free cover because the day free is a different size from the A6 original. It's thinner, so it gets its own little cover. This one is in the black version. And here I'm going to show you how it fits into the day free. So this is the technique that I use when I put my planner inside the covers. You just bend both backwards and insert them together in one go, and it's very quick, very simple. Now this cover is really stiff for now, so I'm hoping it'll bend properly in the next couple months. So I also got this cover and cover. I didn't know what I was thinking. I was hoping that this would actually fit into the day free, but it was made for the A6. So here I'm going to test that theory if it fits, because it's roughly the same size, so it shouldn't have any problems. That's what I was thinking. And here it is. It's a little big, but we can live with that. So here are the freebies for this year. Last year they had this little paperweight of the Not So Scary Bear. Now they have a brush pen, which is very functional, and I really like the pen. It's a little soft compared to the one I'm using, both the Pilot and the Tombow. It's really, really soft. But it's good because then you can bend it to your will, so to speak, if you're doing calligraphy, as I am demonstrating here on the 𝒕𝒉𝒂 paper. So once again, this paper is not Tomoe River paper, so it needs to be tested once again on that kind of paper. But it looks pretty good. I'm very satisfied. And the most important part of this haul, the guiding force of all my purchases, is the Hobonichi Drawer pouches, and I got 2 of them. There are many versions of this. I think there's 4, but I only got 2. So this is the drawer pouch 𝒕𝒉𝒂 or 𝒕𝒉𝒂, and I also got the larger drawer pouch. So the larger drawer pouch is A5 size, and I was hoping that this pouch would fit my Hobonichi cousin. And I also plan to put my A6 in it, and my 𝒕𝒉𝒂, and one of the weeks. So here I'm just taking out the foam inside the bag to keep its shape, and the bag that I chose, or the drawer pouch that I chose, is made out of linen. it is quite bendy, which is what I needed because I was going to stuff it until it could not be stuffed anymore. So the moment of truth, and yes, your Hobonichi cousin will fit in it. However, I don't think that a lot of other planners will be able to find its way inside this bag once a Hobonichi cousin is in it. As you can see here, the cover is giving me a little trouble for the A6, so I had to take out the 𝒉𝐴𝐴𝐵, but I'm going to put the 𝒉𝐴𝐵 back in it to see how it will bend if it's fully stuffed with all my stuff. So I plan to put all the journaling stuff inside this bag, and then for the smaller drawer pouch, I want to take that with me to school and everything. So I wanted it to fit the Hobonichi Weeks. I checked the website and it does fit the Hobonichi Weeks, so I had no issue with that. They are actually marketing it to fit your Hobonichi Weeks instead of, buying an extra cover that will fit only one. So this is quite bigger than a zipped cover, which is what I like, so that I can fit so much more stuff in it, including this little weekly calendar. So that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like, you can also subscribe to my channel. But don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!